Good morning! Happy Saturday! Maayong buntag sa tanan. Daddy, good morning.
Morning, Mommy.
Morning, Han.
Morning, hi.
Morning, Max. Asa ka, Max? Where are we going, Han?
Huh?
Where are
we're
we
going
going?
to Smyrna, Drawbridge.
Drawbridge to go
Fishing.
Yeah. We're gonna go fishing. Nanami sa New Smyrna Beach. Pag-fishing mi diri karon is the place is called Drawbridge, New Smyrna. So we're just gonna stay in this little pier para mag-fishing. Let's see how it goes kung naami mga kuha. Una, there is a Romy and Auntie Tess.
It's another fishing day.
Another fishing day. Hopefully na ikuha. And Mimi is here too. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi.
Morning, Ataga. Morning, Ataga.
Hi, Pa. Hi, Dad. Did you catch any fish yet?
Yeah. We're about to.
Hi, Daddy.
How are you, Ken?
Good. Catch anything yet?
Not yet. Right here. Look right here. See?
You feel something?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can see it. Yeah. It's kind of high tide. Oh no!
Told you.
Oh, we lost the fish. That's fine. We did also catch a bunch of crab earlier, but we just moved spots. So
I got it. See?
got a fish on.
Oh, fish on.
Oh, it's a puffer fish.
Fish, puffer fish.
Yeah, it was a puffer fish.
You tangled everything, puffer fish. And
got
he tangled all the
all the what's it called? Line.
lines.
Tangled all of it. Right there. Look, there's a stingray. Oh. Over here, it's coming on this side. See if it's coming. I don't see it anymore. Let me see if it's on the others. No, it's gone now. Where'd the stingray go? Oh, there it is, there it is. Look, stingray. There's a big one right there. Wow, it's so pretty. It's so... There it goes. Oh, okay, it's gone now. Just when I saw it, it went right under the bridge and then it came back up. So, yeah, there's no more. Okay, we caught 2 fish now.
Who got it?
I caught it. What are these again?
Lane snapper and
Lane snapper. Pinfish?
pinfish, yeah.
Yeah. Here's the lane snapper and the pinfish right here.
Okay.
Yay. 2 fish. Oh wait, where's the crabs? In here?
Yeah.
The crabs are in here. Right here. We caught 4 so far, but we have others at the other area.